model. Now I puncture the skin to different layers until I find epidural space by loss of resistance to normal thinning. Now assume I find epidural space. Then I thread the catheter into the Tuohy needle here and thread the catheter until the tip reach the tip of the needle. And after identify from the report of the patient say, I feel the pressure in the middle of the back, I advanced 4 more centimeters of the catheter into the epidural space. And then I withdraw that needle by holding tight off the catheter I advance the needle, epidural needle, until I find the epidural space by using the technique of loss of resistance to normal thinning. Then I use totally 10 cc of normal thinning to dilate the epidural space. Next, I put the catheter through the needle until have some resistance. When patient feel some pressure in the middle of the back, then I advance the catheter into epidural space by 4 centimeters. Go straight forward. Then I'm done by withdraw the needle back and then secure the catheter. The second scenario is when I push the catheter through the needle, ask the patient, where do you feel the pressure? If patient say, I feel the pressure on the right side of the back, then I will take the catheter back into the needle and rotate the needle counterclockwise for a few degrees, and then re-advance the catheter, asking the patient again, where do you feel the pressure? The patient will say, I'm still feel right side, but it's toward more middle line. And then I will take the catheter back and rotate more the needle, and re-advance the catheter again, ask the patient, where do you feel the pressure? The patient will say, I feel the pressure in the middle of the back. So I then advance the catheter by 4 centimeters in the epidural space, and then I assume the catheter is in the middle of the back, epidural space. The third scenario is when I advance the catheter, the patient will report, I feel the pressure on the left side of the back. So I will take the catheter back into the needle and rotate slightly clockwise toward the patient right side, and then re-advance the catheter until patient report the pressure again. Where is the pressure? If patient say, I feel more pressure on the still on the left side, more toward the middle of line, I will rotate more catheter toward the right side, re-advance the catheter until patient report, I feel the pressure in the middle of back. And re-advance the catheter 4 centimeters more until it stays in the middle of the epidural space.